The nature filled all spaces, covered the plain of green, turning each plant into a unique element, turned its rivers into a huge reserve of life, and turned this paradise into a distinguished place. Ideal scenery for the biggest and most mysterious animal can display all their beauty. The sun puts in relief what nature created, and it brightens up the progress man searches. Brazil, Manaus, the capital of Amazon. Technology and infrastructure surrounded of green, the entrance door to the biggest ecological reserve on the planet. The Amazon forest, region where 20% of all potable water in the world is stored. In Amazon state, nature and technology are very close. The biggest electro-electronic pole of Latin America, the Zona Franca of Manaus turns the city into a modern center and with infrastructure to generate business. On the other hand, the biodiversity of the forest attracts tourists from all over the world for the ecotourism practice. Every year, nearly 500,000 people arrive in Manaus by plane, where from a height they can see the Negro and Solimões rivers, which, with the Amazon River, form the biggest fluvial basin on the planet, the Amazonic Basin. Another means of transport is by roads. Leaving Manaus and driving to the north of the state along BR-174 and other international highways, one can get to Venezuela. But only 100 kilometers from Manaus and once in the inner forest is located Presidente Figueiredo City. With a bit more than 19,000 people, less than one person per kilometer square, it's one of these unique places where nature keeps its original features. In an ecological sanctuary of more than 300 hectares, in the inner of the biggest reserve in the world is the Amazonic Fountain. It springs naturally from 500 meters of depth. With a flow of 800,000 liters an hour, the Amazonic Fountain is one of the biggest sources of mineral water Latin America that can be explored. Due to the analysis of its physiochemical properties, this water is classified as hypothermal in the spring, and it was named Amazon Natural Spring Water, because it's the only mineral water from natural spring original from Amazon. Knowing about the vital importance of water, the Amazon Spring Water Project is now a reality. We long to turn it into a generating spring of health, making good use of the quality that nature offers us, and in a generous way allows to be used. Amazon Natural Spring Water, the biggest natural spring of mineral water in Latin America.